Maraming salamat po. Ayun, thank you so much sa inyong lahat sa tanghaling tapat na ito.
Siya ng It's Showtime. At ngayon makikiselebrate siya, makikipagdiwang siya sa ating Wata Wata Festival 2024. Alright, so our special guest is a multimedia celebrity, an actress, dancer, a total performer. She's one of the top tier celebrities in the country today. We've witnessed her journey inside a PBB house and up until today, where we see her in different shows like It's Showtime, ASAP, and the latest What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, giving all to very every performance, nationwide and worldwide. San Juan City, are you ready? Put your hands together for the multimedia idol and ABS-CBN Star Magic Pride, Kim Chiu! Woohoo!
Nandito kayong lahat. Ready pa naman ako mabasa ngayon. Akala ko wata-wata event to. At palang mga nagbabasa sa akin dito. Basa lang ng pawis. Pero ayun, happy Wata-Wata Festival po sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much, Mayor, for inviting me tonight. Tonight? Tanghali pala. Sorry. Paisang WhatsApp naman dyan. WhatsApp pala! Wow, hindi ako pumasok ng Showtime today dahil gusto ko kayo makita lahat. Pwede ba yun? Gusto niyo pa ba ng isa pang kanta? Alright, let's go. Music please. Nasa San Juan ba si Mr. Right? Nasaan si Mr. Right? Nasaan? Hanap pa naman ako ng Mr. Right ngayon. Yung nabasa ng kanina. Ba't naman nagtatago? Hindi naman kita nanakawan, kuya. Nandito ba si Mr. Right? Nasaan? Ikaw ba? Ayan. Kung nandito si Mr. Right, pwede niyo akong sabayan sa kanta ko. Grabe naman makaturo. naliligo na rin ako sa pawis. Maraming salamat po. Ayun, thank you so much sa inyong lahat, sa tanghaling tapat na ito. Thank you so much for inviting me. Of course, to Mayor, maraming salamat po. And happy Wata Wata Festival. Ano ba yun? Hell yeah! Alright, maraming salamat. Thank you so much, everybody.
Alright. Kim Chiu, pwede bang souvenir photo with Mayor Francis Zamora? Ayan, grabe. And also with Mom Carrie Zamora and Nicholas. Alright.